Welcome to Building Cryptocurrencies with JavaScript. This course shows you how to design and code the fundamental concepts of blockchain technology to create your very own, very lightweight cryptocurrency by implementing the key aspects of successful crypto projects like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, and others. We will progress through the videos of this course and build out a cryptocurrency project with a blockchain to provide accounting, proof of work to secure the blockchain, transaction validation to prevent double spends, wallets for creating transactions, and more. While any real-world crypto implementation is a work of art and can be considered a trophy in the Software Engineering Hall of Fame, thousands of man-hours were spent in creating every one that has emerged in this bold, disruptive new age of distributed computing. To better understand how all of these successful systems work, we will implement the most important components of each with JavaScript in our own home-rolled crypto project. Aloha, this is Brett Hooper with Aloha Codeworks in beautiful Maui, Hawaii. I'll be leading you through the material in this course. I'm a seasoned software engineer, technical evangelist, and longtime instructor. My career has spanned decades and has included clients from Fortune 100 companies, Silicon Valley startups, and the US military. I have produced many highly viewed technical trainings and am more than excited and grateful to bring this one to you. Thank you for your interest in this cryptocurrency course and in discovering from a high level how cryptocurrencies work and function in the wild. While the face of software engineering and development consistently changes over time, one of the most disruptive phases to present itself involves the distributed nature of blockchain technology and peer-to-peer architecture. While the networking behind these distributed applications is far beyond what we'll address in this course, the foundation of blockchain, which supports all cryptocurrency implementations, is what we'll embrace, design, and code. We'll create JavaScript classes that are capable of taking on transactions, organizing them in blocks, validating their contents, linking said blocks with classic blockchain strategy, and more. Using the familiar environment of JavaScript, we'll understand how the most important components of the blockchain and associated token transactions fit together and work together in a live implementation. This will prepare us for understanding code in real-world repos of the leading open-source cryptocurrency projects in the industry. While no blockchain programming experience is necessary as you begin with this course, having a high-level familiarity with blockchain, at least from a cryptocurrency perspective, will definitely help. It would be best if we are already aware of how blockchain systems provide data immutability and how the nodes in a blockchain network validate transactions, organize transactions into blocks, and broadcast ledger updates to all nodes to keep the blockchain fully distributed across the network. If some or all of these concepts are not real clear, a little Googling and reading can bring you up to speed quickly. Or you can just continue with the course and absorb these concepts as they're presented. Either way, you will have success in learning the material presented here and will emerge, by the end of this video series, a well-informed developer ready to approach code in a blockchain project that works with real-world use cases. In this course, as stated, we'll be programming in JavaScript, so a functional understanding and level of experience with JavaScript is best. We'll actually be working with Angular, so Angular experience will only make things easier. However, do not be afraid if you have not worked with Angular before, as every step will be explained fully and will walk you through action by action the things needed to be done to produce the necessary code for each component in the project we'll produce. So again, if you don't have any Angular experience, this course will be a double whammy. Each step of the Angular setup, config, coding, and execution will be explained fully with the assumption that students do not have any Angular knowledge, so everyone will succeed. Join me now as we take possibly the most significant step into the future of application development that we ever will. Blockchain and its associated technologies, architectures, theories, and implementations are impacting everyone and everything in the IT space and will continue to do so as we evolve into a significantly different world of information exchange, consumption, and development. This course gets our foot in the door now, which is when we all should be getting in, if we haven't already. Things around us are changing fast, and we need to be aware and functional with the concepts presented here. Let's go now to the next video and step through the items we'll learn and orchestrate in this video series to produce our own crypto system.